In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup sprints. We'll walk through the entire process together step by step, so by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident managing your sprints in Clickup. Let's kick things off by diving straight into the Clickup platform itself. First, head over to your internet browser and search for Clickup, or if you're already familiar, simply type in the URL to get to Clickup's homepage, which is the Everything app for work. Here, the world of possibilities for organizing your tasks awaits. Clickup offers extensive project management tools, and one of the key features we'll be diving into today is how to efficiently handle sprints. Next, you'll want to log in to your Clickup account. On the landing page, you'll find the login option prominently displayed. Click on Login, which will direct you to the login page, refreshingly simple in its design. First, enter your email address in the space provided. Make sure that you are using the correct email associated with your account. If you've forgotten it, they offer a helpful tool to assist with account recovery. Password follows. This is your gateway to accessing all the useful features that are going to transform your productivity. Now, once you've entered your email and password, there is just one more step. Hit the login button. A quick click and you'll be on your way to exploring all the functionalities Clickup brings to the table. As soon as you successfully log in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Here is where you get an overview of everything that's happening within your workspace. From charts providing project statuses to notifications about teamwork, everything comes up on this centralized dashboard. Once you're comfortably situated on the home page, our next task is to move to your settings. It can be a bit like finding your bearings in a new place, but don't worry, you get the hang of it quickly. Click on Settings, usually found in the lower left-hand corner of your page. This is your hub for customizing and fine-tuning how things run in your space. From workflow settings to personal settings, everything can be found here. With settings open, you'll want to direct your attention to a section called Spaces. Click here to view the different spaces you are part of. Spaces in Clickup work like folders. They help you keep everything organized. Don't underestimate the importance of a well-organized space. It can save you a surprising amount of time and effort down the road. Now that we have access to the spaces, let's focus on the magic moment and click on Sprints. This is where the real power of managing tasks effectively really takes shape. The sprint feature is a crucial element that allows you to manage, track, and review your project tasks fiercely. It helps you break your project down into manageable sections, a must-have for any agile project manager or anyone looking to inject some flow into their project timelines. With access to the sprints, we arrive at one of the most engaging parts of setting up your sprints: organizing and prioritizing your tasks. This is where you'll plan the work ahead by determining what tasks are most crucial and should be tackled first. The sprint view gives you a rich interface where you can adjust the priority of projects just by dragging and dropping them into their appropriate slots. It's a flexible platform that mirrors the agility needed in any fast-paced project environment. Make sure to make good use of Clickup's color coding and tagging system. It's all about instantly knowing the priority and category of tasks at a glance, which can hugely increase your efficiency. In summary, once you're logged into Clickup, the pathway involves heading through your home page, opening settings, accessing spaces, navigating to sprints, and ultimately organizing tasks in a priority order that aligns with your goals. Ultimately, using Clickup sprints can transform the way you manage projects by automating the organization, tracking, and reviewing of tasks. Our journey through Clickup today highlights how versatile and intuitive the platform is. The features we've walked through are just the surface of what Clickup can provide. If you're interested in further personalization or learning how to streamline other parts of your workflow in the Clickup environment, we can always delve deeper in future tutorials. I hope you found this guide comprehensive and feel empowered to go out there and start managing your sprints on Clickup. With practice, you'll find it an indispensable tool in your productivity toolbox. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more in-depth guides on maximizing your efficiency using Clickup and other productivity tools. Happy sprinting!